Hello and welcome to this Python programming course. In this course, I'll be teaching you everything you need to get started programming with Python. Let's get started. Now, what is Python? Python is an interpreted high-level general-purpose programming language. Now, we use three keywords over here, that is interpreted, high-level, and general-purpose programming language. Now, let us know about what actually is a high-level language. A high-level language is something that enables a programmer to write programs that are more or less independent of a particular type of computer. Now, these languages are closer to human languages and further from machine languages. We often say Python is an interpreted language. So what is actually an interpreter? An interpreter is a virtual machine which emulates a physical computer. Now, when you write some Python code, there are two software components called Lexer and Parser, and along with a compiler, we generate some code objects for the interpreter to operate on. Let us take a look at these two keywords, that is Lexer and Parser. So what is a Lexer? So Lexer is a software program that performs lexical analysis, that is work at word level. And Parser is a software component that takes the work of Lexer to the next level and determines if proper sentences have been formed or not. Why Python is quite important these days and why it's more popular among developers. Now, as a general purpose programming language, it can be used for building desktop as well as web applications and can also be used for dealing with complex scientific and some numeric calculations. Now, there are three main reasons why Python is so popular these days. Number one is highly productive. Python is quite syntax friendly because of its simple programming syntax. And the last one is code readability. So if you read a Python code, it just seems to be reading some simple English commands, which makes coding a lot easier and efficient. Now this was my introductory video on my Python programming course. In my next video, I'll be talking about variables and data types in Python. Thank you all.